Alright guys, I got both roll-up doors in. I've got to do a little adjusting down at the bottom. I got to notch them where they'll set all the way down. There's a little bit of a gap at the bottom. Now I can finish that header over there. I got all that bracing I got to put over here, and then I can sheet the front and then the whole outside, and trim it of course. And then the whole outside of the building is pretty much 100% done. I'll show you inside. Yeah, and I still got to trim the door out, but I've got to come back now with all of this tin. I got to weld some more purlin all the way around. I'm going to go up 10.5 foot because that's what I got sheets for, and I'm going to sheet metal the whole inside of it with that new tin. That way it'll have a nice finished look inside, and that'll also give me an air gap for insulation. But yeah, that's what I said. When that whole south side's doors, I'm in it. That's pretty much it. There's a little 1.5 foot spot there in the middle and one on either end, and that's about it. And I got my stub ups for water and electricity there, which hopefully I'll have both soon. But for now, I can put a wood stove out here once this is sealed up, and I could be out here working in it. So it's almost there, guys. Almost there. I am so ready to get done with this thing. And I can tell you right now, I won't build another one like this all by myself. Ain't no way. Especially with no lifts. Doing it all from the ladders. Ain't happening. Later, guys.